Good morning, reelers. Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna head out and do some kayak fishing. I'll show you how I use my fish finder to locate fish, and then hopefully we catch some. So beautiful sunrise this morning. Thought I'd stop and watch it come up over the mountain here. Then we'll head on out to the reservoir and do some fishing. So I'm seeing a lot of maybe some bait down there. There's a pretty big fish. It's down about 50 feet. Just trolling through here. I'm almost to the end of the line here. These beautiful rocks over here. So neat to be able to get to areas like this with the motor. I mean, I've paddled kayak over this way before, but it's a little bit of work especially when the wind picks up and you're having to paddle back. Sometimes you limit yourself to how far you want to go in case the weather turns, but with this kayak, I can go pretty much wherever I want. It's pretty cool. Love it. So right now I'm spot locked right on top of several fish, I guess. They're pretty deep, but I kind of wonder if I just let my lure drop down there and then give it some action, see what'll happen. There's 3 there, and this mess right here is where I'm trying to get my lure down to, and then maybe do some jigging down there. It's pretty good potential right here. There's one just right under me. Thought I was hooked up on a weed. That's the other one. I think I might have a fish too. Yeah. Feels like I have a fish too. So let's see. See what happens. Something's on there. Maybe. Maybe I don't. I think I still have a fish. She's peeling some drag. strange. Huh. Nope. Yeah, we still got something on there. Yeah. Wow. Didn't even know I had one. Yeah, come on. Cool. Twelve and a half. So check that out. Looks like a pike tried to eat him. Wow. Both sides. Alright, I'll keep this guy. He probably wasn't going to last long. I didn't even know I had a fish, but we were right in this area. And I'm starting to notice there's some fish that are up above 40. And we're also seeing some around 20 there. I think, yeah. So there's one around 20. And I think they're starting to come up now. Or at least I'm in a spot where they're, oh yeah, look at that. So that's what I look for. Usually that's where I start catching fish, is when you start seeing more of them closer to the surface. Now, might be catching one of these, possibly. I'll just wait and see. But usually when I'm catching them, that's what it looks like. And then the bigger that is and the redder it is, I think the bigger the fish is. So let's just keep going here. Stop there. See how I did this time. On this thing. Still got him? Yep. Still on there. Whoa, there he goes. Alright. Got a spider this time. That's cool because the last one was pretty exhausted from whatever tried to eat him. Come on. Yeah. Come on to the boat. Stick around. Oh, come here. Alright. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a keeper too. I always like to measure them. That's a little better. 14 and 3/4. Pretty nice fish. Right. I like it. Stick them in the cooler. Another good one. Well, thanks for hanging out with me for a bit today. First started using the fish finder. I wasn't really sure what all it could do. I use it for navigation. I use it for marking places where I catch fish. The more I use it, the more I like it. So it's a nice thing to have on the boat, and it's great for kayak fishing and ice fishing. Something I do while I'm out here fishing is I mark spots where, you know, when I'm out ice fishing, like sometimes I wonder what's in this area. So in the summertime, I take the boat and go cruise around and check things out, see if there's fish or weed beds or rocks. And then with the fish finder, I can plug in waypoints and such, since it's a chart plotter. So it's pretty handy for a lot of things. This one tells me how deep the water is, the water temperature, how fast I'm going. We're spot locked now, so as I would hope, we're not going anywhere. This one displays my battery level, so we're hooked up to the Aqua lithium. I've been on the water since 7:30, so about 5 hours, almost 5.5 hours. We still have just under 12 volts, so that battery's holding out great. The trolling motor battery, I'm sure, has tons of power left. In fact, I could look right now and see where it's at. This meter here. Oh yeah, we're still full. So I could probably get like 2 or 3 more trips out of this before I have to charge it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the show. I can see the storms coming over there to the west. I got some on the north. So it's time to skedaddle. And before the wind kicks up and the white caps arrive, of course, and really should be seeing some fish right here. Maybe I'll mark this spot and come back here next time. So, hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the new camera angles and beautiful day on the lake. So hey, we'll catch you next time.